Assalamu alaikum, this is Clan from Crypto Crazy. In today's video we are going to talk about Constellation. Constellation is a framework that allows everyone to build and conduct business on a blockchain. Existing blockchain technology does not support the speed, scalability and economic incentive needed to build applications with robust business logic. Constellation is its own network and blockchain infrastructure. Constellation network provides cybersecurity for big data. The Constellation Hypergraph network provides a scalable and secure distributed network that validates data for enterprise and public sector clients. It is the first truly decentralized, infinitely scalable DAG protocol. DAG is the evolution of the blockchain technology. Blockchain is a vertical technology like linear going from point A to point B, and every asset on the network is looking at the top of the block for the validation of the transaction. While doing so, it consumes a lot of energy blocks. Similarly, like your phone looking for cell phone signals, it drains the battery. Think about your phone in airplane mode. Now battery will last very long as it is not looking for the signals. Constellation uses DAG technology. Basically, it is horizontal architecture of data. Data itself has a architecture. Blockchain is up and down, vertical, linear from point A to point B. DAG is like a spiral or 3D model. It does not have to go to node for the validation of the transaction. Hypergraph addresses digital threat vectors prone to big data initiatives and data transportation. It provides an infrastructure for an open, decentralized data marketplace and an enterprise-grade software solution for data provenance and integrity. It's secure, cost-effective, scalable and easy to integrate. The software infrastructure too removes the financial and organizational cost of insecure data pipelines and bad data. It provides a secure and tamper-proof audit trail that simultaneously validates your data, allowing early visibility for data management teams into downstream issues, preventing bad logic across automated systems. It got insane partnerships. Constellation managed to build a very impressive list of partners. Its partner includes Splunk, Kinami, Space Isaac, US Air Force, US Space Force, US Air Force. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, Decode, Sophenia, Decisive Client, GBA. Let's check about its ecosystem. It includes AWS, GBA, Federal, Blockfolio, Telegram, Twitter, Delta, Quant, Chainlink, KuCoin, Space Isaac, US Air Force. What it will do for the US Air Force? Constellation's technology will help securely unlock traditionally siloed and non-accessible data and data sources. This is commonly referred to as multi-domain command and control at the US Air Force. Multi-domain cross-server stakeholders are dispersed, disconnected and complicated, and the data created by each domain is either non-accessible or requires significant manpower to handle data forensics, planning and collection. Constellation will create a leap in the US Air Force current capabilities with the focus on the agile interoperability of both legacy and future data types. It is a scalable and secure approach to big data processing while enabling the merging of legacy system data with existing cloud infrastructure data. As such, Constellation provides decentralized security not only to Air Force data pipelines with encryption, but also creates audit trails and a live overview of the status of any data source. US Air Force was very pleased with the results of this partnership. This is the official website of the US Air Force. All these things and partnership makes it very bullish. In other words, you can say that it's working with the Department of the Defense of US Air Force. Let's check about its current price and the places where you can buy it. Its current price is 20 cent. Its symbol is DAG as it uses the DAG technology. Its current ranking is 192 with a max supply of 3.6 billion and circulating supply of 1.27 billion and a market cap of 258 million. You can buy it from different exchanges like KuCoin, HitBTC, LCX exchange. So this was our today's video. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button.